Namaskar, I am Gauranga Chauhan. In my school, education does not mean just books. 734 children daily do yoga, play, act in dramas, sing and dance, recite poems, debate, and read books and newspapers in the library, and adopt to learn healthy sustainable lifestyle by maintaining save water, save electricity, rainwater harvesting, e-waste management, dry wet waste management, and personal hygiene. Annually, our school organizes reading and writing festival, drama debate show, sports, science and math exhibition, cultural program, prize distribution, summer camp, winter museum and nature visit. ভারতীয় ভাষা উৎসব আন্ডার এক ভারত শ্রেষ্ঠ ভারত, ফুড ফেস্টিভ্যাল, বসন্ত উৎসব, আগমনী অফ দুর্গা পূজা, ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল ডে, রবীন্দ্র নজরুল জয়ন্তী, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ডে, বার্থ অ্যানিভার্সারিজ অফ গ্রেট পার্সোনালিটিস, ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স অ্যান্ড রিপাবলিক ডে, graduation ceremony, convocation and students week celebration, Christmas Eve, Raksha Bandhan, Vidya Pravesh and Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. They grow their own vegetables, save rainwater, build museum and conduct their own assemblies. This is a 4-star SHVR school. We have received the Nirmal Vidyalaya Award. We are selected as PM3 school from the districts because 100% children are engaged in different activities. In my school, classrooms and playground are not separated. Jai Hind.
Nestled amidst the lush greenery of Uttar Dinajpur, Raiganj Girls Free Primary School is unique attraction within the Education Department of West Bengal. As the sun touches the school building, little students begin to enter the school, marking their attendance digitally. The prayer hall echoes with a Sanskrit mantra, Asato Ma Sadgamaya. Lead us from ignorance to knowledge, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya. Lead us from darkness to light, Mrittur Ma Amritangamaya. Lead us from mortality to liberation. After the hymns of Sanskrit chant, students sing different songs in separate 6 days of the week, followed by news reading and wisdom talk. Raiganj Girls FPS is a family of 625 students, 19 teachers and 8 cooks who work hard relentlessly to make the premises clean and green that helped them to earn Nirmal Vidyalaya Award in 2022. Here, the students are being looked upon like busy bees in a developing hive where their vast potentials are nurtured within the ambit of this elementary institution. The school also features a wall magazine where students express themselves through drawing, writing, poems in vivacious way. Teachers are another valuable asset of this school. They don't only make the learning joyful, their honest efforts and careful guidance inspire all the students, irrespective of their level of intelligent quotients. Even for students who typically shy away from academics, the innovative teaching methods with unique teaching learning materials by the teachers create the wonder. Needless to say that these teachers regularly assess each child individually and tailor their teaching accordingly, fostering regular attendance. The school has integrated computer and general knowledge classes into its regular curriculum and offers abacus classes every Sunday to make learning maths a fun and engaging experience. This helps students to build self-confidence for various talent search examinations. Raiganj Girls Free Primary School has embraced digital learning with the introduction of digital classroom, where teachers use audio-visual methods for instruction. This multisensory room is also accessible to children with special needs, making learning both attractive and inclusive through technology. Recognizing the importance of creative development in early years, the school encourages creativity and self-expression through regular art and craft classes, steering children away from excessive gadget use. Another highlight of the school is its vibrant library, filled with colorful books that invite students to explore the world of reading. Teachers foster a habit of reading diverse books and organize an annual reading festival where students perform recitations and dramas in both English and Bengali. In today's world, self-defense is crucial. Every Saturday, the school offers karate classes for both boys and girls. The students also excel in sports. Since 2014, several have competed at the state level in yoga and gymnastic competitions. The school boasts a beautiful garden filled with colorful flowers and medicinal plants, along with a playground and a delightful dining area where students enjoy their midday meals together. An active child cabinet empowers students to oversee the quality of food, the environment, and discipline within the school. Raiganj Girls Free Primary School celebrates all national days of importance, allowing teachers to instill values in students. The school hosts an annual science exhibition which generates great enthusiasm. This year, a summer camp was organized in the nearby Kulik forest, sparking curiosity about nature and the environment. The school also conducts regular awareness camps on different health issues, dengue prevention, and observes Health Week. Last year, the school held a graduation ceremony for Class 4, marked by an outpouring emotions from both teachers and students, reflecting the strong bonds within the school community. The role of families is vital in nurturing students' minds. Ongoing collaboration and communication between parents and teachers contribute significantly to the school's growth. Although the school building and premises may be modest in size, the remarkable responsibilities it shoulders are commendable.
ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे खो न जाए हथेली की रंगत बदल दे खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सब जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की
New Air Force One security shortcoming. A leadership board at the top. Southeast Main Wildlife List 20. ED rates Mumbai pig production. Will return around next Sina.
গাছে ফুল এসছে, এরপরে লাউ হবে, সেই লাউ আমরা বাচ্চাদের খাওয়াবো, আমরা সবাই মিলে খাবো, তাই না? খুব সবজি খেলে আমাদের কি কি হয়? শরীর স্বাস্থ্য ভালো থাকে। আমাদের চোখ সবুজ শাকসবজি খেলে চোখ ভালো থাকে, স্বাস্থ্য ভালো থাকে, আমাদের খুব উপকারী, তাই না? শাকসবজি খাওয়া খুব উপকারী। এখানে কোনো কীটনাশকের ব্যবহার নেই, আমরা এখানে শুধু হালকা গোবর সার ব্যবহার করেছি, আর আমাদেরই ফেলে দেওয়া যে শাকসবজির খোসা এগুলো থেকে সার করে এই গাছে দিয়েছি। নিচে ধরে এবার ডান ভাঙ, হ্যাঁ কিচ্ছু হবে না, ভাঙ, বা হাত দিয়ে ধরে থাক। অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, হয়ে গেছে।
যাও যাও, দাঁড়াও, ক্লাস টিচার যাচ্ছে হেল্প করতে।
সবজি তুলতে আমাদের দিদিমণি সাহায্য করছে, কিভাবে সবজি ভাঙতে হয় গাছ থেকে, তা আমাদের তোমার দিদিমণি শিখিয়ে দিচ্ছে।
আরো ফুল ধরবে কিন্তু ওটাতে, আস্তে, ব্যাস, সুন্দর। দেখি ভিন্ডিটা নিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকবা, ভিন্ডিটা নিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকো।
ডাটা তুলছে আরেকজন শিক্ষিকা সাথী দাস।
চলো,
কেমন
ওঠাও।
লাগলো ডাটা গাছ তুলে? খুব ভালো লাগলো, একদম কচি ডাটা, হৃষ্টপুষ্ট। তুলছে, খুব মজা পাচ্ছে গাছ তুলে।
বাহ,
নিজের লাগানো গাছ, আমাদের খুব মজা লাগছে, সব থেকে মজা।
বন্দে মাতরম, বন্দে মাতরম, বন্দে মাতরম, জয় হিন্দ, জয় হিন্দ, জয় শ্রীরাম। একটি গাছ, অনেক গাছ, একটি গাছ, গাছ লাগাও, একটি গাছ, বন মহোৎসব দিবস পালন করুন, 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 বন মহোৎসব দিবস পালন করুন।
Primary school celebrates Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav in different languages spoken in India. I am Lucreate Marathi. Suprabhat.
আমি বাঙালি শুভ সকাল।
I am from Gujarat. Sarvanna Slam. Subhakar. I am from Jammu Kashmir.
কালাই वनक्कम। I am from Tamil.
I am from Assam. सुप्रभात। हम हिंदी में सुप्रभात बोलते हैं, उर्दू में हम शब्बा खैर बोलते हैं। खम्बागनी। I am from Rajasthan. This is our language tree. Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav, a celebration of linguistic diversity which marks the appreciation of unique symphony of languages of our country, has been initiated by the Department of School Education and Literacy. India, a land of vibrant culture and languages so fair, with over 1600 languages spoken beyond compare, from Hindi to Tamil, Bengali to Telugu, each one unique. A symphony of sound, a treasure to seek. In the north, Hindi flows like a gentle stream, while in the south, Tamil ancient rhythms beat. Bengali sweetness, Marathis pride, each one language tells a tale of India's rich heritage, where diversity never fails. Urdu's elegance, Gujarati's charm, each one gem so rare. Kannada's beauty, Malayalam's flair beyond compare. Punjabi's energy, Assamese warmth, each one language a delight. A reflection of India's soul shining so bright. Let's celebrate this linguistic diversity, a treasure so true, a gift to the world, heritage to preserve for me and you. spirit live on forever young, forever warm. Thank you.
ফুল নিয়ে যাবো না। চলো যাও।